What's up, guys? Alex Nurse here. As strength and conditioning coaches, I don't think that we address conditioning enough, so I wanted to share with you guys one of the ways that we objectively measure improvements in the anaerobic conditioning of our athletes here at Axis. So one thing that we use is the RSA test, or the repeat sprint ability test. And what this test is that it's a measure of the drop-off in times between consecutive sprints with the athlete leaving every 30 seconds. So it's a shuttle style sprint, running 25 yards in one direction and then back. And let's say the athlete takes 8 seconds to perform the sprint, then they get a 22-second rest before they have to repeat the sprint. So it's not a 30-second rest, it's leaving every 30 seconds from the starting line. And what we do with this test is we add up the times of the total number of sprints. Usually we use between 10 and 12, so I guess we'll use 12 in this example. So you add up the times of each of the 12 sprints, you divide that by the fastest time, multiplied by 12. All right, you take the quotient of that and you subtract 1 from it. And you take that answer and you multiply it by 100, and that gives you the percentage of drop-off in time between the sprints as fatigue begins to accumulate. All right, so what we want to aim for is a percentage drop-off of less than 10%. Of course, the lower, the better. If someone gets a drop-off that's higher than 10%, then we would put in place certain interval protocols depending on the athlete's performance to bring the number back down on the retest day. So that's what we use to objectively measure our anaerobic conditioning to make sure our guys are heading in the right direction towards the end of the preseason and as they begin to enter the competitive year. If you have any questions about how to use the RSA test in your own training or performance, please feel free to DM me or comment below.